Welcome to the crypto nest. So Cronos is honestly is misbehaving. We are still trapped into this very long-term downtrend channeling. As you can see, we are trying to get out. We got out momentarily, and then now, unfortunately, we're still getting sucked from this downtrend line. At least we're fighting hard, and as you can see, it's really acting as a resistance. Well, eventually, if we continue like this, hopefully this trend is going to break, because by smashing, eventually it's going to give up, hopefully. Now the problem is that we are getting near the invalidation point, and it's not looking good, unfortunately, for the moment. Long term, I think we're still good. In 2 years, I'm going to be happy with my crows, and especially going to be very happy with my free crows that I get with my card. So you can have actually a prepaid credit card, and you can do your purchase, and you receive, depending on the card that you have, 1, 2, 4% in cashback in a crow. So receiving a crow today at 6 cents, if the next bull run it's worth $2, so that's pretty neat. So maybe a few purchases that I'm doing now, that I'm actually paying, maybe I don't know, in 18 months it's going to end up that those purchases they ended up to be free. Maybe it would be fun to I don't think I will have the time to do that. Can you imagine you go back into the bear market season and you check all the purchase you made, and you try to figure out how many purchases you made that actually with the reward in the bull market they ended up to be free, or I mean that transaction you made money. Yeah. All right, let's stick with reality now. Maybe that's a fiction. Maybe it's never going to get to $2. That also can be possible. We never know the future. For the moment, I believe Chrono has a lot of potential. He's there for a moment to stay. It didn't fail yet, so I don't think he's going to fail soon. But we never know in crypto. I was going to say a bad word. Bad things happen suddenly, and they just go belly up. So that's another reminder that let's keep our crypto in a cold wallet. Lately, we discovered that Ledger is not that secure. I would say if you have the X, Nano X, the S, I don't know, because yesterday if you go and check the video I did about Ledger, the diagram that I draw, that was for the Nano X. The Nano S, they didn't release an update for the Nano S, so maybe in the Nano S it's physically impossible to access remotely your seed keys and share them with a third party. So if that is the case, that it would be a safe wallet, in my opinion. And if any firmware would update would still be impossible to make that connection, then I would still consider the Nano S a good cold wallet. I will see, well, maybe I can send an email at Ledger and ask that question. Now, after it's like, are we going to have an honest answer or not? We don't know. We need to deal with confidence and trust. All right, so this is not a Ledger video, so let me stick with Cronos. So as you can see, the RSI, we're getting once again oversold or near oversold. I think I need to go on the 1 hour chart maybe, so the counts 1, 2, 3, 4 would make more sense maybe. And no, my internet is not slow at all. All right, so we were into this downtrend widening channel. Maybe this was a 1, 2, 3, maybe this was a 4, or here's the 4, and we're still waiting for the 5th wave. And then if I zoom out a little bit, okay, let's go for the 4 hours. What is that Fibonacci retracement that I draw? Okay, so ways to count it now. Maybe this was the one and we did the A overshooting wave B and a C, but this could be just the A, and now we did the A B and a C for the B, and now we're doing the C. If this is the case, then yeah, we just need to do a lower low. Actually, we are kind of doing it now. Are we? Not yet, but almost. And, you know, technically, this was the 3rd wave. Come on. Seriously? Okay, so 3rd wave was here. 4th maybe was here. I don't know why they switch around these things. Anyway, and so now we did already do kind of a lower low compared to the 3rd wave. So technically the 5th wave is done. We can go a little bit lower. I don't really want to, but if Cronos has to, go for it. But we start to be a little bit into dangerous water here. And yeah, when we drop below the 0.786, it starts to be unreliable count. We're getting there. And if we lose the 0.886, then it starts to be almost game over. And yeah, at 5 cents and a half, it's a final game over. We lost a life, so we lost the count, and then yeah, we need to redo our counts. We're going to reset all this movement, unfortunately, and that would be very sad. Okay, so this is pretty much all for Cronos. So once again, we need to be aware of one level, 5 cents and a half. If we get below that, we're screwed. And honestly, if we start to get below 5 cents, well, actually, let's say 7, then it's going to start to look already bad. Let me take the VRVP and check. Yeah, and unfortunately, as you can see, come on, VRVP. Okay, so yeah, we don't have much level to play, unfortunately. So if we drop here, then we're going to go right straight to 5 cents, 7, 5, and that after that it's going to be ugly. All right. Okay, so this is start to be too long. Today I'm don't know, all my videos start to be a little bit long. Let me do it shorter, maybe next one. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. See you.